Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, good morning. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be fine and will be having a good time with your families at home. And I'm sure that you are enjoying your online studies and attending your classes regularly. During the time of COVID-19 spread, this is my advice to take all your classes very seriously as you study in your school. In the previous weeks, we discussed present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. And in the last week, we discussed past indefinite tense and past continuous tense. This time, in this week, we will be studying translation. Keeping in view all the rules and regulations of these tenses, we will have to convert sentences according to the rules and regulations. Translation is an important part of your syllabus, and from examination point of view, it will go a long way. I mean, in your life, especially from class 9, 10th, first year, second year, you will be in strict need of translation, translating rules and regulations. Dear students, let's start today's work. I'm starting from learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to know the rules and regulations of translation. Number two, translate sentences of present and definite and continuous tenses into English. And number three, apply the rules with differentiation for the conversion of positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. Dear students, generally we translate sentences into another language. At this stage of your learning, your class 7, you have learned almost 2,000 to 3,000 words. This is a fact that with the gradual process, you learned many words and they are in your mind. Sometimes we have to translate individual words. Sometimes we have to translate idiomatic or proverbial expressions. But what we are required to translate is the whole sentence. As we learn individual sentences, we can go for paragraphs. Whenever we translate any sentence, that's according to a tense. And every tense has rules, proper rules, and according to those rules, we convert a sentence into negative or interrogative. In the same way, we convert that into another language according to the tense, the verb form, and then we understand its meaning. We have to learn different rules for the conversion of each kind of sentence. That is, positive sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. All of these sentences have different rules. In the same way, their conversion will be having the same different rules. The structure of positive is totally different from the structure of interrogative sentences. In positive sentences, the Urdu sentence would be like मैं बाजार जाता हूँ, ता हूँ, ते हैं, ती है, like these words would come at the end. So मैं बाजार जाता हूँ, I go to बाजार. किसान हल चलाते हैं, the farmers plow. परिंदे हवा में उड़ते हैं, the birds fly in the air. हम गाना गाते हैं, we sing a song. वो कपड़े धोती है, she washes the clothes. In positive sentences, we will have to follow the rules of positive sentences of present indefinite tense. If we commit any mistake, the examiner may deduct our marks. Now come towards negative sentences. In negative sentences, you will have to put do or does immediately after the subject, and then not, and then first form of the main verb. For example, the same sentences I translate into English. वो बाजार नहीं जाता. He does not go to bazaar. किसान हल नहीं चलाते. The farmers do not plow. परिंदे हवा में नहीं उड़ते. The birds don't fly in the air or do not fly in the air. हम गाना नहीं गाते. We do not sing a song. In interrogative sentences, there would be question mark at the end and the style would be questioning. क्या वो स्कूल जाता है? Does he go to school? क्या वो अपने वालिदैन का हुक्म मानते हैं? Do they obey their parents? क्या हम पढ़ते हैं? Do we study? क्या वो गाना गाती है? Does she sing a song? In these sentences, the formation is totally different from negatives. Now we come to present continuous tense. The same would be the sentence structure as you discussed previously. Subject plus is, are, or am plus first form of the verb with ing. Then in negative form, subject would be in the beginning, then is, are, am plus not plus verb ing. And then interrogative, that would be is, are, am in the beginning, and then subject, and then verb ing, and question mark would be put at the end. So according to these patterns, we will translate the coming sentences which are on the next slides. We will discuss them one by one in a proper way. As I discussed with you, the sentence formation of present continuous tense. Now we come towards the Urdu sentences of this tense, and how to convert these sentences would be quite easy. For example, in these sentences in Urdu we use रहा हूँ, रहे हैं, रहे हो, रही है. All these are the endings of these sentences. But in English sentences, we will be using helping verb plus verb ing. For example, the first sentence is मैं बाज़ार जा रहा हूँ. I'm going to बाज़ार. हम उछल रहे हैं. We are jumping. तुम मेरा वक्त ज़ाया कर रहे हो. You are wasting my time. वो गाना गा रही है. She is singing a song. बारिश हो रही है. It is raining. Now the Urdu negative sentences, they are converted very easily. We have just put not between helping verb and verb ing, the main verb. For example, मैं बाज़ार नहीं जा रहा. The English translation would be I am not going to bazaar. हम नहीं उछल रहे हैं. We are not jumping. तुम मेरा वक्त ज़ाया नहीं कर रहे हो. You are not wasting my time. वो गाना नहीं गा रहा. He is not singing a song. बारिश नहीं हो रही है. It is not raining. And now I'm telling you the detail about interrogative sentences, Urdu sentences, and then English sentences. Kia, this word is put in the beginning of Urdu sentence, and a question mark is there at the end. In the same way, present continuous tense negative form would be applied here. Interrogative form would be applied here. Now, after careful watching and reading of these two tenses, you have to translate the sentences given in the worksheets. This work is enough for today. Thank you for listening. Take care. Goodbye.